Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A03s, and let me share with you how to enable, so how to actually change manually date and time on this device. So firstly, let's find and open the settings, and now let's scroll down to the general management. On the third position we've got date and time, so just tap on it, and as you can see right now we are using automatic date and time, so your device is setting it using the network. And we've got also the clock format option. So first of all, let's manually set date and time. We have to tap on this switcher to turn off this option, and as you can see the time zone, date and time options are active. So right now we can tap on time, for example, and just by swiping use the time, set the time we want to use, tap on done, and as you can see it immediately appears on the status bar. We can also set the date, so after tapping on it you'll see this calendar, and you can pick the date you would like to have, tap on done, and the same situation, it immediately changes. What's more, we can change the time zone, so after tapping on it and choosing the region, you will be transferred to the full list of all available ones. So obviously all you have to do right now is to simply find the one you would like to set and tap on it. So I will pick this one randomly, and after getting back you can also see that the time zone has been applied, but be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. It is normal. What's more, we've got the clock format, so right now we are using 24-hour format. Of course you can turn it off in order to use 12-hour format, and as you can see on the status bar it also immediately changes. So actually this is it. This is how to manually customize date and time. Obviously you can go back to all previous settings, just tap on the switcher to use 24-hour format, and on this one to use automatic date and time. So actually this is it. This is how to set date and time in your Samsung Galaxy A03s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.